The next idea associated with files is input and output streams. I found this really nice illustration on the University of Pennsylvania website with these pictures illustrating streams from official Oracle Java tutorial. So first of all, any stream means sequential access or processing of a file. Sequential means you cannot undo things. Like if you read the first line from a text file, you cannot unread that line to read it again. If you want to read that line again, you would have to close the file, reopen it, and reread again. So the stream is primarily a memory buffer maintained by the operating system where you can read the information that would be your input stream, or a memory buffer where you are writing the information, but you really don't have to worry about the size of that memory buffer. Actual allocation is handled for you automatically. In fact, managing the memory buffer is primary reason why you cannot just write to any file anytime you want. You must open the file and specify the mode for your reading and writing operations. So my definition of an input-output stream is not theoretically very precise, but still is a very practical one in my opinion. When somebody mentions a stream, I imagine a memory buffer somewhere in computer memory. And if I start writing, that buffer is filled with my information. And if I'm reading, then the system populates that memory buffer with information, and I just have to read it piece by piece sequentially. With respect to other topics to discuss, I have added a couple of links to two more tutorials regarding Java packages for working with files, namely IO, which is the original Java input-output classes, and NIO, meaning new input-output classes. New Java NIO classes introduce an alternative to stream by providing a direct access to the data, which is, for example, you load from a file. This new Java API allows you to process the memory buffer multiple times. However, that comes with its own set of challenges. Stream API parses the input for you, converting numbers to integers, plain text to strings, but with buffered I/O, you may have to do a bit more of this work on your own. There are use cases for both types of I/O, both I/O and NIO, and therefore NIO Java package does not render the original I/O API obsolete. You just have to know how to use both packages as necessary. So we will see examples of both libraries in our upcoming presentations.